Everyone, I am Maria Migarsota.
I am Jaya Simaitim.
Today, I will explain how to name branch chain alkanes using the IUPAC rules. Our objective is to understand the IUPAC rules and apply them correctly in naming branch chain alkanes. So first, what is chain branch alkane? So chain branch alkane are hydrocarbons made of carbons and hydrogen atom with a single bond only. Unlike a straight chain alkane, they have one or more branches called substituent. To give a very compound one correct name, we use the IUPAC naming system, which stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So there are 5 basic steps in naming branch chain alkanes using IUPAC rules. Step 1, identify the longest continuous carbon chain. This is called the parent chain. Step 2, number the parent chain from the end closest to the substituent so that the substituent gets the lowest possible number. So step 3 is to identify the name substituent. Common substituent includes CH3, it's called methyl, and CH2H5 is called ethyl. And step 4 is the position number of each substituent. And then step 5 is combine everything to form a complete IUPAC name. If there is more than one substituent, list them in the alphabetical order. So here is the last rule, rule number 6. Follow IUPAC punctuation rules, which include the following. Number 1, separate numbers from each other by commas. Number 2, separate numbers from letters by hyphens. And number 3, do not add a hyphen or a space between the last name substituent and the name of the parent alkane that follows. So our first example is CH3, CH with a CH3 branch, CH3. The longest continuous chain has 3 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is propane. There is one methyl group attached to carbon number 2. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 2-methylpropane. So our second example is CH3, CH with a CH3 branch, CH2, CH3. The longest continuous chain has 4 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is butane. The methyl group is attached to carbon number 2. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 2-methylbutane. Our third example is CH3, CH2, CH with a CH3 branch, CH2, CH3. The longest continuous chain has 5 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is pentane. There is one methyl group attached to carbon number 3. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 3-methylpentane. So our fourth example is CH3, CH with a CH3 branch, CH with another CH3 branch, CH3. The longest continuous chain has 4 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is butane. There are 2 methyl groups attached to carbon number 2 and 3. Since there are 2 methyl groups, we use the prefix di. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 2,3-dimethylbutane. And our last example is CH3, CH with a CH2, CH3 branch, CH2, CH2, CH3. The longest continuous chain has 6 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is hexane. There is one methyl substituent attached to carbon number 3. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 3-methylhexane. So to summarize, naming the branch chain alkane, follow the 5 steps. Number 1 is find the longest carbon chain. Number 2 is number the chain from the nearest substituent. Number 3 is identify the substituent. Number 4 is write the correct possession number. And number 5 is combine the numbers and name. So by following these rules, we can correctly name branch chain alkanes and avoid confusion in chemistry. Thank you for listening. We hope you learned how to name branch chain alkanes using the IUPAC system.